Lord, I love you. These are the final words of Pope Emeritus Benedict XVI before he passed. And I think these words are important for us to take to heart. Welcome to All That Catholic Stuff. I'm Chris Bray. You know, I think it's very easy for us to push aside or to overlook or to dismiss these words. You know, we think of the Pope, we think, well, he's somebody who's holy, who's pious, somebody who has to say these sorts of things like, Lord, I love you, right? But when we look at the life of this man, Pope Benedict XVI, when we look at at his pontificate and all of the successes and all of the wins and all of the things that he was able to do and to accomplish, the restoration of the Mass, when we look at his scholarly work and all of the books that he published and all of the theological brilliance that he possessed, and we look at his life, I think it could be easy for someone to take pride in that, to be sucked into the idea that it's what we do and it's how much information that we know. And what I love about his final words is that it all points back to Jesus. Lord, I love you. And that's what it's all about. And I think that's what is so important for each and every one of us. And I take this personally as well, is that it's not about how much information we know. It's not just about all of the things that we do. And it's not just about the conversations we have with people or that we're trying to tell them how to live in the best way for them. And it's not about how many books we have published. It's not about how many videos we have, how many views we have on social media, how many likes we have on a photo. It's not about any of that. It comes down to those simple words. Lord, I love you. That's what it's all about. That is the essence of the Christian life and the Christian journey. And praise God that Pope Emeritus Benedict XVI left that example for us. Here's somebody who, his pontificate and his whole life was milestone after milestone of accomplishment and achievement and wins and all of these successes and the brilliance and the theology and all of that. And yet, everything pointed back to God. Lord, I love you. I think that's something that each and every one of us, no matter where we are, no matter how smart we consider ourselves, no matter what we are doing in our lives, whether we are in apologetics, or whether we are in evangelization, or whether we're a stay-at-home mom or dad, or whether we're just a regular person going to a regular day job or a student, wherever we are in life, it all boils down to Lord, I love you. That's what the Christian journey is about. And so let's try and strive to realign, reorientate our lives towards those simple words in all that we do. Lord, I love you.